This is corn. It is yellow and very bright. Look, the seeds are small. These are peas. They are green and small. Look, so many inside.
This is broccoli. Broccoli is green. I like broccoli.
This is cauliflower. It is white and very soft. Look, it looks like broccoli. This is a sweet potato. It is brown and a little long. Look, it is bigger. This is a pumpkin. It is orange and very big. Look, it is round.
This is a bell pepper. It is colorful and crunchy. We eat it in salads or cooked dishes.
This is thyme. It is green and very small. It smells nice.
This is a carrot. Carrots are orange, and it is crunchy. This is a tomato. It is red and soft. Tomatoes are healthy. This is basil. It is green and it smells nice. This is an onion. It is white and strong. Oh, my eyes. This is lettuce. It is fresh and green. We eat it in salad. This is celery. It is long and green. It is very crunchy. This is garlic. It is small and white. It smells very strong. This is a radish. It is small and red. It tastes a little spicy. This is a cabbage. It is big and round. It has many layers. This is mint. It is small and green. It smells very fresh. This is spinach. It is green and tender. We eat it fresh in salads or cooked. This is a cucumber. It is long and green. We eat it fresh or in salad. This is parsley. It is green and curly. It smells fresh. This is a chili pepper. It is small and bright. It tastes very spicy. This is a zucchini. It is long and green. It is smooth and firm.
This is an eggplant. It is purple and smooth.
This is rosemary. It has thin, needle-like leaves. It smells very fragrant.
This is ginger. It is brown and hard. Look, the shape is funny. This is kale. It is green and very leafy. Look, the leaves are curly.